Hello everyone, today in this video we are about to discuss that 4 things that you have to improve in your English communication skills. So let's get start. When we are talking about to English speaking skills, if you are speaking English, so what happened with us that when we try to speak English, so sometimes words doesn't come. Sometimes when we speak English, so our words stuck. Sometimes when we speak English, so our monotones go same. Monotones that we are speaking in same pitch. So what happen? Listeners get bored. So today in this video we are about to discuss how can we improve these types of things that. So I have bought for you 4 things. So first thing is that slow tempo. When we are talking about to slow tempo, so if you are speaking English, if you are talking somewhere, if you are presenting something in front of the people, so you have to keep your tempo slow. What's the benefit, you will ask to yourself? If we are speaking English and if our tempo is slow, what will happen? We will able to think properly, as well as new thoughts, new words will come in your mind that, and you can speak English effectively. Whatever you want to say, you can say effectively, and you will have so much times, you will have confident to speaking English. Second thing is that voice modulation. When we are talking about to our speaking speed, if we talking about to monotones, you have to use your voice modulation. What is the voice modulation? Voice modulation is that you have to bring your pitch up and down. You don't have to speak in same pitch. You have to use the voice modulation where you think that this thing is important for us, so you have to modulate your voice and bring some emotion in your speaking English. So if you are speaking that excitement sentence, so your expression should be like this. There should be in this voice that you are expressing something. If you are getting angry, so your tone should be like this. If we are happy, so your speaking tone should like this. So you have to change your pitch, you have to change your voice modulate according to emotion. So what will happen in your speaking? Voice modulation will come that, and listener will be able to connect properly to you. Third thing is that you have to keep remember in your mind that stress. So we have to give right stress in word. Stress is very important in our English speaking, because we don't use stress word. So you have to consider that where have to give stress in word and how to pronounce these types of words properly in stress. Like if we have to say motivation, okay, so our stress should be like this. So if we are giving right stress in our words, so your speaking will change and you can speak English effectively, you can deliver your speech properly, and people will not feel bored. Fourth thing is that you have to keep remember in your mind that we have to give right pauses in our speaking. You don't have to speak like that, just you keep on the speaking. No, you have to give right pauses in your speaking, because pauses create the questioning. Okay, pauses create one types of the curiosity. Suppose I stop suddenly speaking, so one types of the things will be happen in your mind that what is about to speak. So if you are giving right pauses in your speaking, that you can improve your English speaking and you will have so much benefit in your speaking English. You have to keep remember in your mind that we have to give right pauses, and your pause should not be too much long, your pause should not be too much short. Exactly, we have to give our pauses so that we can deliver a speech, as well as if you are speaking anything, so your listener will be able to process in our mind that, because whatever we are saying, that there should be the proper processing in our mind, that and they can think, yes, this thing is right, this thing is wrong, and I have to keep remember in our mind. So give them time to understanding whatever you are saying, what you are delivering in your speech. So this is the four things that you should keep remember in your mind, that and you have to bring in practice of English speaking. So this is all about that. How is this video? Please tell me in comment box. And if you are thinking that this video is useful for you, so please share this video with your friends, with your group members, with your girlfriends, anyone those want to improve English speaking. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching.